Doesn't mean that your audio quality necessarily is, garbage. I know all the words that I think in my head, especially in the beginning, you're just like, everything's wrong. I shouldn't be doing this. That's not necessarily true. It's just that you're not the voice for that project at that time. So this is why you will probably often hear people saying, just keep auditioning. Just keep going. And don't just submit one audition and sit and wait. That's the worst thing you could do. Submit one audition and just sit and ruminate and cross your fingers and hope that you get it. And then base the whole future of this career on the result of that one audition. Please don't do that. Audition a lot. Audition often. Because again, you have to be the right voice for the right person at the right time. And in order to find that opportunity, you have to be auditioning often.